Yeah, please start.
We can start now. Yeah.
Yes, please.
We are live, ma'am. You can start.
Good evening, good afternoon. Welcome back to the third interactive session. I am your instructor, Aysha Viswamohan from IIT Madras, and this is our third and final interactive session. I'll begin with your questions now. Before I begin, one general guidelines for everyone. Your end semester exam would be MCQ type, just the way you have been seeing in your assignments. And please continue submitting assignments, whatever remains, on time. Do not miss it. As some of you know, once you miss it, you won't get another chance to submit. I'll start with your queries. Sansari wants to know, मैम एग्जाम को ऑफलाइन में देने मिल गया और नहीं क्या? So exam offline nahi hai. I think it's online only. You have to go to the center. I find the text completion concept very hard. Yes, it is hard, Sansari, because it is not a general English. Please understand. This is not a general English exam or paper. This is, after all, uh, designed to make you compete with, very, let's say, the best of students all across the country and across the world. So the format itself is for those students who want to appear for TOEFL and GRE and GMAT, and therefore it is tough. I don't know the words of certain meaning. Please develop your vocabulary. How do I approach to give the perfect answer in the exam? For exam purpose, please revise the videos. For exam purposes, revise the videos, revise the assignments. That will help you. Shashank, for essay writing, I can write quite well, but sometimes I feel my sentence structure or vocabulary somewhere I feel those essays are not well formalized. So yeah, please read more. The more you read, and I'm not talking about reading whatever comes in your hand, but read, select and choose and pick the kind of uh, uh, readings after which you can formulate or you can model your own way of writing. So if you want to write in a specific, let's say you want to write uh, uh, like columnist in a Time magazine paper, or let's say the Hindu newspaper, or so you have to read those newspapers or magazines or books. So where you get your sentence structures from, or where you get your vocabulary from, the kind or the level of the vocabulary and grammatical pattern you're looking for, you have to read something that corresponds to the way you write. So this is the way to tackle. You want to, in other words, you want to write better, you have to read better things. Deepika wants to know common mistakes. Well, all kinds of mistakes. Many a time they make mistakes in let's say, choosing the right grammatical structure. How can we avoid it? Again, by reading, by practicing. Mogato, what are the most benefited field of study regarding competitive exam? What are the fields? Your English will improve, your vocabulary and grammar and your ability to read and write improves. That itself is a great, a great number of advantages. So these are the benefits. Overall, your English language skills would improve, definitely a much higher than general English exam or general English course. And you will be able to you will be more confident when you appear for competitive kinds of exams. Maivan wants to know, will the questions be set from the ebook mentioned? I did not mention anything per se, but please go, we revise the videos. the lecture videos more carefully, more regularly, and also revise your assignments. If I have mentioned any books, it is always good to go through those books if you have the time. Shirley wants to know, when will I get my hall ticket? No, I cannot give you guidance on administrative aspects of that. NPTEL team will get back to you for that. Dr. Surya, how can we prepare the students answer the closed test with 100% certainty? Uh, how do we prepare the students? Please give your students more challenging texts to read so that they feel much more prepared and much more confident when they appear for an exam. See, for a course like this, the key to success is always by reading more challenging texts. Ravi Pratap, how to improve English language writing skills in a good way. For writing, and you should have a teacher who is willing to give you feedback on your writing. See, for writing, it is important that you get regular amount of feedback. So you need to have that kind of support system where someone can give you good feedback and suggestions and guidance on what is good writing. Anubhav wants to know, I want to ask what kinds of questions will be asked during the exam. It's MCQ, the way you have been doing in assignments. Apart from reading comprehension, grammar, vocabulary, these are exactly the kinds of questions that you can expect, Anubhav. There will be reading, grammar, vocabulary, synonym, antonym, match, the column, fill in the blanks, etc. Nothing, whatever you have been doing, in other words, for assignments. And please keep watching the videos. Repeat on a repeat mode. Sai Praneeth, what qualities should develop to make the most of this program? Uh, I would like students to develop their reading skills. If you read well through the osmotic effect, you will write better. You will develop better vocabulary, your grammar will improve, and that may directly or indirectly impact the way you speak. Gangotri, how learn easy way to understanding the NPTEL exam? There are no easy ways, sorry. So this is a challenging that the course. It is meant to be challenging because it's meant for students whose level of English is more advanced um, than let's say an average graduate, because we are preparing students to appear for more challenging and competitive exams. So you have to keep on practicing. That's the only way it will come easy to you. Mr. Karthik, do we have more questions?
No, ma'am.
No, I think I have addressed them. This is the third time. So they have exhausted their questions.
Yes, ma'am.
What I'll do, I will wait for more questions if they come. Otherwise, by 3:15 we can wind up. Okay, so students, those who have I have responded to some of you. If you have other questions, you may ask me. Otherwise, all the best for your for your final exam. Again, I advise you to uh, revisit my lectures, the videos, watch them all over again, revise your assignments also. If you have time, go through, if you think you need more practice, then I have been advising, go through Wren and Martin book or Martin Huing's book. Look at them to prepare well. Only if you feel that you need more reinforcement for your grammar. Otherwise, the lectures and assignments, revision of lectures and assignments should be enough. It is out and out MCQ type, the way you have been seeing your getting your assignments and all. So it's for 100 marks, you will have MCQs. The administrative bits or details like the hall ticket and the dates and the venue. Those details will come in your inbox. The NPTEL administration team will be sending it to you. Okay, and please submit your assignments by the deadline. So thanks a lot for joining. Mr. Karthik, we will be around for another 4-5 minutes. Then we'll wrap up the session.
Okay, okay.
Karthik, can I sign off?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then I'll join at 3:55 now.
Okay, okay.